There's a book of the rock, chapter 33, and verse 17. Consider that I labor not for myself only.
So the Bible tells us consider that we don't labor for ourselves only, Mary.
But for all them that seek learning.
So this is what we are here to teach. For everybody that seek learning, man. Give us Sirach chapter 24, verse 34, saying the same thing, man. This is what we labor for in this truth. This is what we study week after week after week, so we can come bring this to us that the Lord to our people, man. That's why it's so easy for brothers to dwell together, because we all labor in this truth, man. Read,
This is the book of Sirach, chapter 24, and verse 34. Behold, that I have not labored for myself only.
But this is what we are here to do. We're not laboring for ourselves only. We're not laboring just for us to get into the kingdom. We labor for a nation to get into the kingdom, man. Read.
But for all them that seek wisdom.
For who?
For all them that seek wisdom.
This is what we are here for everybody that seek wisdom, man. Everybody that want to hear, thus said the Lord, man. Everybody that got to hear, man. Give Matthew 22 and verse 9, man. Preach, man.
This is the first book of Corinthians, chapter 3, verse 17. If any man defiles the temple of God,
jump on to verse 16.
Verse 16. Know ye not that ye are the temple of God?
Speak of the Most High God. Hey, brothers over there standing for that barber shop, smoking that cigarette, brother. You are the temple of the Most High God, man. Read.
And that the Spirit of God dwells in you.
See, because how can the Spirit of God dwell in us, man, when we defile our temples, man? We put, guess what, like Ox said, put pork in our system, man. Put smoking cigarettes, man, putting that defiling our temples, man. Most High God can't dwell in that, man. He can't use no filthy rag, man. We got a holy God, man. Read.
Verse 17. If any man defiles the temple of God.
So the Bible saying, if any man defile the temple of God, read.
Him shall God destroy.
He said, him shall God destroy. That's why people got lung cancer. That's why people got diabetes, high blood pressure. It come for us breaking God's laws, man. That's the judgment, man. For us not listening to our God, man. Preach it up.
It's the book of St. Matthew, chapter 22, and verse 9. Go ye, therefore, into the highway.
So the Bible commands us to go into the highways, man. That's why you see Bruce out here, man, teaching thus said the Lord, man. We labor all week long so we can go out to the highway to bring thus said the Lord, man. Read.
And as many as ye shall find.
What the Bible said, it said maybe one.
As many as ye shall find.
Maybe two.
As many as ye shall find.
Maybe a thousand.
As many as ye shall
I
find.
said as many as we shall find. Guess what? We might not find nobody this Sabbath. It might be another Sabbath that we find somebody. It might be 2 more Sabbaths, but should we stop laboring? No, because we are commanded to come out here to do the work, man. Read.
Be it to the man.
So the Bible, guess what? Christ is telling us to be it to the marriage. Hey, sister, it's over there in that van. You know your nationality. Guess what, sis? What's your father? Give her a flower, bro. She got one. Hey, sis, you got enough time for to hear this word? Guess what, man? I know a lot of people ain't got enough time, but guess what, man? Give me Isaiah 30 and 20 right quick, man. A lot of people don't understand, man. They looking at their teachers right in front of them, man. They just don't really want to receive that thing, man. Read this out.
This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 30, verse 20. And though the Lord gave you the bread of adversity,
And though the Lord gave us the bread of adversity, read.
and the waters of affliction,
Uh-huh.
yet